there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can enable or activate shuffle on Spotify. So what you want to do is just play whatever song that you have, like this one here. And right now what you want to do is just simply, or like let's go to Eminem Till I Collapse. Let's open it. And right on the left bottom corner, you're going to see devices available. And above that, you're going to see shuffle. And right now when you're going to shuffle, it will play the playlist, the album, whatever, in the shuffle mode. So it's going to randomly play whatever songs they are right now. So this is how you can activate shuffle on Spotify. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.